Hey there, table tennis enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of rapid rallies, lightning-fast serves, and mind-boggling spins, as we explore the top 15 mind-blowing facts about table tennis. Before we smash that subscribe button, let's jump right in. Fact 1. The birth of table tennis. Did you know that table tennis originated in England during the late 19th century? It began as a parlor game known as ping pong before evolving into the sport we love today. We owe a lot to our English friends for this fast-paced and thrilling game. Fact 2. The balls bounce. Ever wondered why table tennis balls are made of celluloid or similar plastic material? It's all about that perfect bounce. The unique material allows for a consistent and predictable ball behavior, ensuring an exciting game every time. Fact 3. Record-breaking rallies. The longest recorded rally in table tennis history took place in 1979 and lasted a jaw-dropping 2 hours and 12 minutes. Talk about endurance. Imagine the intensity of that match, absolutely incredible. Fact 4. Mind-blowing spin. Table tennis is renowned for its mind-bending spin shots. The players can generate spins exceeding 9,000 revolutions per minute, making it nearly impossible for opponents to predict the ball's trajectory. Now that's some serious spin magic. Fact 5. Olympic dominance. Since making its Olympic debut in 1988, China has been an absolute powerhouse in table tennis. Chinese players have consistently dominated the sport, winning the majority of gold medals. It's no wonder they're considered the masters of the table. Fact 6. Tiny table, big calories. Believe it or not, playing table tennis can be an excellent workout. A 1-hour game can burn around to 172 calories. So, the next time you're hitting the table, know that you're not just having fun, you're staying fit. Fact 7. The fastest serve. Ready for some speed? The fastest recorded table tennis serve reached an astonishing 108 miles per hour, 174 kilometers per hour. Blink, and you might miss it. It's no wonder players need lightning-fast reflexes to keep up. Fact 8. The rule of 11. Here's a pro tip. Ever heard of the rule of 11? In table tennis, the score adds up to 11 points in each game. This ensures that the server alternates every 2 points, keeping the game fair and competitive. Fact 9. International love. Table tennis is one of the most widely played sports globally, with millions of players across the world. It's a universal language that brings people together, fostering friendships and camaraderie. Fact 10. Table tennis diplomacy. In 1971, the United States and China engaged in ping-pong diplomacy. Table tennis competitions between the two nations played a crucial role in thawing diplomatic relations, leading to the normalization of diplomatic ties. Fact 11. Paralympic inclusion. Table tennis is not just for able-bodied athletes. It's also a prominent Paralympic sport. The Paralympic table tennis events showcase incredible skill and determination, proving that the sport is truly inclusive. Fact 12. Super Spacious racket. The table tennis racket has strict regulations on size and shape. But did you know it can be any color? However, one side must be black and the other must be red. It adds a touch of style to the game. Fact 13. Spectacular serve techniques. Table tennis serves can be as creative as they come. From the classic pendulum serve to the tricky reverse tomahawk, players use a variety of techniques to keep their opponents guessing. The serve is a crucial element of strategy in every match. Fact 14. The legend of Ma Long. Ma Long, often called the Dragon, is a legendary Chinese table tennis player, with multiple Olympic gold medals and world championships under his belt. He's considered one of the greatest players in the history of the sport. Fact 15. The Guinness World Record. We saved the best for last. In 2015, a Guinness World Record was set for the most consecutive table tennis volleys, an astounding 8600 volleys. Now that's some serious dedication and precision. And there you have it, folks, 15 mind-blowing facts that make table tennis the incredible sport we all love. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe for more amazing content. And let us know in the comments your favorite table tennis fact. Until next time, keep smashing those rallies and enjoying the game of table tennis. See you on the table.